Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In today's video I want to let you know that we have our office in Jakarta now open. So if you are living around the Indonesia area and you are looking to locate this office, I'm going to show you the location of the office very soon. But we have our reps in the Indonesia Jakarta area and you can get in touch with them. We have the Telegram channel and we have the Facebook as well for you to connect with the Jakarta team so that you can have more information about the estate. But let me quickly show you members that we have currently that appeared on the day that the office was opened. So you can see from this picture here some of our team members in Jakarta, and these are our reps in Jakarta office. So guys, if you are looking to get in touch with these guys, please let me know. I will connect you to them. They are our reps in Indonesia, Jakarta, and this is where their office is located. Just so you know, if you are looking to take a ride to this office, this is where it is located. This is the address, and you can also use Google to check that address. That is also the telephone contact number of our rep in case if you are looking to contact anybody in the Jakarta office. But if you plug that address into the Google map, you will notice that the office location is just around that area. And if I pull up this just now, you will see the building. So it's one of these buildings here that the office is located, right? So if you are looking to check out this office, please make sure you copy this address and use your Google map or your navigator to locate this office in Jakarta. So yes, the e-estate platform is growing rapidly and we are expanding every single day, guys. So if you are looking to join this platform, you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description to do so. But if you prefer to join with our team in Jakarta, if you are in Jakarta, then you are also welcome to let me know and I will link you up with these our partners that we have in Jakarta area. So that is everything I needed to let you know in this video, just to make you aware that our Jakarta office is open. If you live around Jakarta area, please make sure you follow the address and locate the office. Otherwise, thank you very much and I will see you in my next video.